You may not be aware, but WhatsApp released an update last year which allow user to send message in bold, italic and strike through. Here how to do it. So you just open the WhatsApp and select the contact. Now if you want to bold your text, simply you add static sign in start and end of your text. Now check it. This is test. It's bold. Now if you want to apply italic style, so you just apply underscore rather than static. So now in start and end, this is test. Now your text in italic style. Now if you want to apply a strike on complete text, so there is a sign called title, this one, and write any text.